stamp. You want to open it? Okay, we have to peel it. Peel. Ooh, it's stuck. Are you excited? Are you excited? I wonder what it is. I wonder what it is. Oh. Ooh, what is it? What is it? Willie. Willie the Giant? Willie. Okay, show Dylan the camera. Willie, Mickey and the Beanstalk with Willie the Giant. Open it. What'd you get? Look at it. And she even sent a card. Did you get a book? Mickey and the Beanstalk? Wow. Ooh, it's just like the movie. Long, long ago, there was a place where they smiled all day. You're scrolling through it too fast. Willie! Do you like that book? Can you give it a hug? Can you give it a hug? Say no, you don't hug books, Mommy.